How breathing works. Breathing is the process by which the body takes in oxygen, which cells use to generate energy from food. There are two main elements: ventilation, the movements of the chest, inhalation and exhalation, and gas exchange, the transfer of oxygen and carbon dioxide inside your lungs. The action of breathing muscles draws air in through the nose, mouth, or both. The air passes down the trachea or windpipe into the two bronchi, the main airways into the lungs. From here, it passes through smaller airways until it reaches tiny pouches called alveoli. Here, oxygen passes into the bloodstream, which carries it to the heart and then to the body tissues. Blood that has released its oxygen is returned via the heart to the lungs. This low oxygen blood also releases waste carbon dioxide into the alveoli, from where it is exhaled. An adult breathes at least 13 pints or 7.5 liters of air per minute. The lungs are contained in a slippery double layered membrane called the pleural membrane, which allows the lungs to expand freely inside the chest as they are moved by the breathing muscles, principally the diaphragm. The alveoli, the minute chambers at the end of the lung's air passages, have very thin walls that allow gases to pass through. Around them are capillaries, tiny blood vessels whose walls are also very thin. Oxygen passes from the alveoli into the blood inside the capillaries. At the same time, carbon dioxide diffuses through the capillaries and alveolar walls into the lungs. So the gases in alveoli consist of nitrogen, 74.9%, oxygen, 13.7%, water vapor, 6.2%, carbon dioxide, 5.2%. Tests are used to assess how well your lungs and airways are getting oxygen into your body. Chest x-rays show the structures inside your lungs to reveal any problems such as fluid or air around your lungs. Peak flow tests and spirometry measure how effectively you can breathe in and out, and lung volume tests show how much air your lungs can hold. Pulse oximetry and exercise capacity testing show how much oxygen is reaching your body tissues. When the diaphragm contracts, it flattens and moves down, while muscles between the ribs contract to pull the ribs outward. As the chest and lungs expand, they draw air in through the airways. That's inhalation. In exhalation, the rib muscles relax and the diaphragm becomes more domed as it too relaxes, causing the chest and lungs to contract in size. Air in the lungs is pushed out of the body via the airways. Thank you for your attention.